Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. I clearly have a cold, so bear with me and my voice. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video Sunday afternoon, then yeah, the chart is going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some basic questions. And depending on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Really, the two main levels going forward are what I've been talking about for essentially this entire past week. The first key level and really first question to ask yourself. So let's just use Sunday afternoon. You're watching this video Sunday afternoon. Question number one becomes, where is the price at relative to 4080? Because as of right now, that is the key resistance, and it's been the key resistance. You go back through the history of things, and you can see just multiple times that area has indeed acted as resistance. So if you are answering the question that the price is up above 4080, well, that's just telling you that at that moment in time when you're watching this, that a technical breakout has happened, and that's a bullish thing. Now, how big of a breakout? Well, that's a little kind of common sense comes into play. Meaning if the price is, just slightly above that area, don't get me wrong, that's still good. But I mean, if you're watching this and the price is, way up there at 4,500, well, that would be telling you that the breakout is just that much more powerful. So like I said, a little bit of common sense and gut instincts needs to go into that. But now if you were answering the question that the price is still below 4080, that doesn't mean anything negative per se. But the next immediate question you would want to ask yourself is, okay, well, if the price is still below 4080, where is the price at relative to that level down there at 3920? If you're answering the question that the price is still above there, so in other words, it's below the red line but up above the green line, so it's somewhere around here, well, then one word could summarize that current price movement, and that's just consolidation. The price is continuing to consolidate and go sideways, and it is what it is. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 3920, well, at that point, that would tell you that things are getting a little bit shaky, but the price does still have an opportunity to stay above that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. So really, from assuming you care about the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% are still in charge of the big picture time frame. Now, if somehow you're answering the question the price is down below that purple line, that would just be telling you at that point that the bears have essentially taken back over and the chart's looking pretty shaky. So use these levels, ask yourself those questions, and like I said, that'll keep this video relevant for the entire weekend.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.